Hi, my name is Wanda and I am the Doodle Transformation Coach. And I have something incredible for you. At least I think it's incredible. Um, because I have been thinking, how can I help so many doodles that are still tangled and matted? How can I help the owners get the right skills, the right tools, the right knowledge, the right insights to help prevent their doodles from getting tangled and matted, basically? Because I know that there are some techniques that make it very simple to do so. And I know a lot of doodles are shaved now because the owners don't know how to deal with the coat. And I think it's such a shame because they have that fluffy, cuddly, adorable coat. And when you buy a doodle, when you take a doodle into your home, when you adopt a doodle, um, it's often because you fell in love with it when it was a pup, and you fell in love with that adorable, fluffy, lovable coat. Of course, it's its personality too, but the coat really makes the dog, doesn't it? And when I when I'm driving in the village where I live, and there are a lot of doodles here, most of them are shaved. And when I hear my mother complaining, who has been a groomer now for almost 60 years now, and I remember what it was like when I had my own grooming salon. Um, and I know what it's like when I go to people at their homes to give them private grooming workshops for their doodle. I know that so many doodles are still tangled and matted, and groomers are at their wits' end, and owners get stressed because they don't know what to do, and the doodles don't feel comfortable in their own skin because of that. And doodles are highly sensitive beings. They're highly sensitive dogs, and I think they're more sensitive than other dogs I have seen. Um, and so getting shaved is quite stressful for them because there are a lot of stimuli. And there's the noise, there's the tugging on the hair, there's the pulling in the I get lost in translation here, but it's not a nice experience to go through for most of them, and lots of them go through that when they are still a puppy, because most owners don't even know how to deal with the coat change. They don't know what happens when the coat changes. And so most of doodle pups, when they are around 7 to 12 months, they get matted, and they get shaved by the groomers because they don't see another way. And I want to help change this. I have had a Tangle Tackle training for 13 years now, and it has helped so many people already. But not enough people manage to find it. And I also think that people are anxious about maybe buying an online training and then working with the online instructions. So I've been thinking how to make this as simple as possible and as fun as possible. And if you are a doodle owner and you think that there is no natural solution against the tangles and the mats of your doodle, except to shave them, I want to show you that there's another way, and that there's a natural way, a no shaving way, a no silicone based spray way, and a way that doesn't involve cutting away the tangles and leaving nasty cut marks, and doesn't involve a lot of stress for your doodle or pain for your doodle in any way. So I have decided to make all this knowledge and the skills available to you. And I want to lower the threshold for you so you can experience how fun it is to do this yourself and connect with your doodle in a different way. Because when you are busy detangling your doodle, usually that's not the best way to really connect with him, because you want to get done as soon as possible, because you want to save your doodle the stress, I think. But when you know how to keep your doodle tangle free all by yourself, that gives you so much more peace of mind. And so there is room to connect with your doodle in a different way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a challenge. It's an online workshop. We're going to work with a group of, I am hoping, for 50 people. At the same time, we're going to start the 1st of June. But when you register, you immediately get access to the course. But I want to invite you to this challenge so you can learn with and from the other doodle parents as well. We are going to detangle and demat and work with a lot of different coats. I'm hoping at as many different coats as possible so you can learn from each other. And we are going to work together for a month, and you will get access to all the instructions you need in the online e-learning environment, the Transformation Academy. And we're going to start with you posting a before picture of your doodle in the special Facebook group, so we can see what every doodle looks like. And we can share your reasons for joining the challenge. What is it you want to learn? And then we start off with a live call where we can get to know each other and hear about each other's motivations. And then you start working with the online course that I provide to you. And every Friday, we will do a live call, exchanging experiences, exchanging questions, and you can learn from the answers on the questions of others. And we will do this for 4 weeks. And after 4 weeks, you will post an after picture of your doodle. And we can see all the after pictures of all the doodles in the group. And then we can pick a winner. Because I want to motivate you extra by giving you the chance to win my special thinning scissors. These are special chunking scissors that I am having made according to all those years that I tried different chunking scissors, and I found out that the right scissors weren't available in any store. And so I have been experiencing with having them manufactured with the amounts of teeth that were necessary, and I came up with the perfect thinning scissors. And usually you can buy them on my website. They are 135 euros, but I want to make one of them available for the winner. So you can really get motivated and cheer each other on to win that. And so when we've done the challenge, which I think is also the best way for you if your doodle is about to go through the code change and you want to know how to deal with that. And also if you want to start grooming your doodle yourself and you're a bit anxious on how to start, this is a very safe and I think low threshold way and the most fun way to get that first introduction. And these are skills that you will not learn anywhere else, because I have learned them from grooming and detangling water dogs. And water dogs and doodles have a similar coat structure, and they are both very tangle sensitive. And they are both mixed coats. So, but because the water dogs are quite unknown here in the Netherlands and internationally even, there are not many groomers that have experience in dealing with these coats. And so I had the privilege growing up with my mother, who introduced the water dogs here in the Netherlands and came up with the grooming standards for them, to teach all those skills, to learn all those skills. She taught me the skills. And I want you to have these skills as well, because I think that every doodle owner has the responsibility to take care of their doodle themselves and to give their doodles the best care, because they can't take care of themselves. They need you for that. And with everything, all the joy they bring into your life, that's the least you can do to make them feel comfortable in their own skin. And it will make your life so much more comfortable as well. So I hope you will join the challenge, and enthusiasts, other doodle owners, to join as well. You can get money for that as well if you become an ambassador. And just let's make this a party. Let's just make this a big success, because if it's a big success, I want to do this every month if I can, or once in every 2 months, I don't know. But I think it's the best, like I said, most fun way to learn these skills and for me to empower you and giving your doodle the best care. And let's work together in keeping the doodles tangle free all over the world. I think that's the biggest mission that I have, and I hope you share that mission. So, hope to see you there, and welcome.